Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can turn on and off the auto rotate on your Motorla Razr 40. Maybe you watch a lot of videos, you have something else that you would like to view horizontally, you play games or whatever else, or you just don't want your screen to turn, and for that you can go to your drop down menu and then just click on auto rotate. Right now it's off, and let's go to our Play Store. If we turn our phone sideways and nothing will shift with it, so when we click on auto rotate and then go back to our Play Store, then the screen will shift sideways as well. When we go back again and turn that off, then it stands still in that position. So that is how you can turn on and off the auto rotate on your Motorla Razr 40. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.